Common Core Standard 2.md.c.8. Solve word problems involving dollar bills, quarters, dimes, nickels, and pennies using the dollar sign and cent symbols appropriately. For example, if you have 2 dimes and 3 pennies, how many cents do you have? This standard requires the knowledge of how to identify and count money. Students will need to know the amounts associated with each different type of coin or bill. They will also need to know the difference between the dollar sign and the cent sign. Here are a couple of example problems. Students need to be able to add up an amount of money and write the amount down in dollars and cents. Students need to understand that an answer such as $1.16 is the same as 116 cents. They also need to be able to use the appropriate symbol, whether it be the dollar sign or the cent sign. It's a good idea to give your students some coins and bills to have them practice counting different amounts of money. Here are some examples of problems students might see on a test. If you have 2 dimes and 3 pennies, how many cents do you have? If you have 2 quarters, 5 nickels, and 4 pennies, how many cents do you have? If you have 5 quarters, 4 dimes, and 6 nickels, how much money do you have? Sally has 4 dimes and 3 pennies. She gives 21 cents to John. How much money does she have left? Alex has 2 quarters and 3 nickels. Her friends give her 3 dimes and 2 pennies. How much money does she have? Students will need to practice problems like these in order to master the standard. You can make up your own problems to have your student practice. These problems are available in the course resources area.